Upper roller, lower roller, upper. Oh, hey, my name is Nadia Matthews. I'm the founder and CEO of Roze Studios, a 501c3 dramatic arts organization. Well, since you're here, let me take you on a tour inside the studio. Roze Studios was founded in 2007. We opened our doors downtown in 2011, and we have this amazing studio. Our coolest feature is our green screen. Our green screen is the coolest feature because our students can learn how to be animated and be anywhere in the world right here in Memphis, Tennessee. Next, we have our Parents Lounge. Our Parents Lounge is for our parents to kind of hang out, see the class, observe it, grade it, and hang out with other cool parents. Just like in LA, you have to have a focus room. So our private screening room seats 15 people, and we use it often to look at our own work. Our theater is cool because we can also watch our own videos, we can critique our own commercials, and the kids can see themselves back on the big screen. All around the studio, you'll find posters of our original work. Yes, original. All of our movies, our TV shows are produced right here at Roze Studios. When you come into the studio, you are always greeted by a fun and friendly professional staff member to make sure that you feel comfortable when you get ready for the lights, camera, and action. For all of our writers and directors, this is our room where we create the scripts, the movies. We always use this table to write, produce, and direct. These are some of our movies that we produced, 6 to be exact. And we have not forgot about our little stars. This is a wonderful playroom created for our little people, often with our Mother's Day Out program or when the younger siblings just want to take a break and play. So I encourage you today to be a sponsor, enroll a child, or just simply share and like this video. Thank you for coming into Roze Studios. I hope to physically see you here soon.